India's maritime sector is a pillar of economic growth and global connectivity. With a vast
11,098.81
kilometers coastline, over 200 ports, and a merchant fleet of 1,530 ships, India plays a pivotal role in international trade, handling nearly 95% of its total trade volume through sea routes. India is also one of the largest suppliers of skilled seafarers worldwide, with nearly 4 lakh professionals across 28 states and 8 union territories. To support this workforce, the country has 176 maritime training institutes offering 89 DGS-approved courses, ensuring high-quality training for the next generation of seafarers. To maintain one unique and one standard benchmark in maritime education, the Directorate General of Shipping, Government of India, introduced a transformative initiative, the Exit Exam. The initiative has revolutionized maritime training, ensuring higher knowledge standards, transparency, and credibility in certification. The Exit Exam has not only improved training quality but has also completely eliminated the fake certificate market. Even during COVID-19, while many industries faced disruptions, India continued to supply skilled manpower to the global maritime sector, thanks to the credibility ensured by Exit Exams. To date, over 27 lakh seafarers have successfully passed the Exit Exam and obtained digital certificates, securing their place in the global maritime workforce.
The Directorate General of Shipping is the maritime regulator under the Section 7 of the Merchant Shipping Act. While it ensures safe, secure, sustainable, and smart shipping, one of the very core functions is of the assessment and certification of the competencies of the seafarers. The Directorate General of Shipping has 3 platforms on which the test and certification of the assessment of the competencies of the seafarers is done as per the standards for testing, competency, and watchkeeping, which is the International Convention governing the competencies of seafarers globally. These 3 platforms, the first, the Certificate of Competency, written and oral examinations. The second, for the Certificate of Proficiencies for the modular courses that are conducted on the Maritime Training Institute Exit Examination. And for the ratings exit examination. One of the partners to the Directorate General of Shipping is the Board of Examination for Seafarers. The Board of Examination for Seafarers, for over more than 1 decade, close to 18 years, has supported the Directorate General of Shipping in benchmarking the ratings exit examination. The Board of Examination of Seafarers has ensured standardization, proper curriculum, and testing the entire competencies imbibed during the ratings training. This results in our ratings, the Indian ratings, providing their competencies effectively when they are signed on vessels. We are very aware of the fact that every Indian seafarer is in essence an ambassador of the nation, and we need to ensure our seafarers are secure and safe and updated continually with their knowledge and their competencies. The Board of Examination for Seafarers is hand-holding the Directorate General of Shipping for ensuring that for ratings and for much more. They are also supporting us in certain key domain engagements such as maritime casualty investigation and for specifics which ensure safety in maritime operations. We, on this specific day where the Board of Examination of Seafarers is conducting a ceremony as a hallmark and a testament to those who contribute to Indian maritime, extend our felicitations and also wish them the best, since we are now stepping into a new era, 75 years of service to the nation by the Directorate General of Shipping will now transition to the Directorate General of Maritime Administration. Not only will we look at mercantile marine, which is per se merchant shipping, we will also look at ports, their operations in terms of safety and sustainability. We will look at shipyards for safe builds, for innovative buildings in shipbuilding and for repairs. We will look at ship recycling centers for the circular economy. We will look at the offshore operations. We will also look at the inland water navigation operations as also the fishing sector. All of this together in partnership with institutions like the Board of Examination for Seafarers. Let us rededicate ourselves to ensuring what is aspired for in the Amritkal Vision 2047, to make India a great maritime nation. As we step into this new era of transition from Directorate General of Shipping to Directorate General of Maritime Administration, the Board of Examination for Seafarers has entered a service level based agreement for conducting the examinations on an end-to-end digital platform, ensuring no ambivalence or any integrity being violated during the conduct of examinations. We partner together to ensure skilled and qualified seafarers who are trained and ensure that India contributes as a mighty maritime nation with its seafarers being one of the leading contributors to the global maritime shipping pool.
Good day. The DG Shipping introduced exit examination of GP rating candidates in 2005 in collaboration with the BES Trust to standardize training and assessment of ratings in India. The trust was formed jointly by the Company of Master Mariners of India and the Institute of Marine Engineers India. Its core purpose was to ensure uniform, high standards for trainees completing pre-sea training for GP ratings and catering course across the country. As India's maritime regulator, the DG Shipping ensures safe, secure, sustainable and smart shipping with the Seafarer competency assessment as a key mandate. These assessments are carried out through dedicated platforms including practical examination to align with the STCW Convention with a key focus on the ratings exit examination. This evaluates the competencies gained during training before seafarers join vessels. For 2 decades, BES has been a vital partner supporting DGS in benchmarking the ratings exit examination. It ensures competency-based testing, updated curriculum, so that Indian ratings are well prepared for service at sea. Indian seafarers represent the country on every ocean, and it is vital that they remain safe, secure and continually updated in their skills. BES continues to assist the Directorate not only in ratings assessments but also in specialized domains such as maritime safety and training. After 75 years of service to the nation, the DG Shipping will transition to the Directorate General of Maritime Administration, continuing its partnership with institutions like Board of Examinations for Seafarers. As we move toward Amritkal Vision 2047, we reaffirm our commitment to building India as a great maritime nation. Supporting this transition, BES has entered a service level agreement to conduct examinations through an end-to-end digital platform, ensuring transparency, integrity and efficiency throughout the assessment process. Together, we continue to develop skilled, qualified seafarers who strengthen India's contribution to the global maritime workforce. Thank you. Jai Hind.
The All India exit exam for the ratings was conceived in the year 2004 when the need was felt to enhance the quality of training and certification for the ratings. As India is a major seafarer supplying nation, and there was evident dip in the quality of the seafarers that India was supplying. That is when the DG Shipping engaged with the professional bodies such as the IMEI and the CMMI and the Board of Examination for Seafarer Trust was conceived. The BES started with the All India exit exam for the ratings, that is the GP ratings, in the year 2005, and later on the CCMC course, the certificate course for maritime catering, was added to the All India exit examination, which is again a 6-month course. As part of the regular review undertaken by the DG Shipping, the port visits for these courses were introduced later on, and these were as a periodic check. This was checked during the BES examination, and all those trainees who were not did not go through the port visit, they were not allowed to appear for the BES examination. So later on it was felt that initially each trainee was allowed 3 attempts to appear in the BES examination, which was later on enhanced to 7 attempts and 2.5 years post completion of the GP rating or the CCMC course. As part of the periodic review, the type of questions being asked in these All India exit examinations were reviewed, and it was changed to objective type with pictorial and short answers, with the criteria that the student has to attempt each section and score at least 50% marks in each of these sections. So that is how the periodic review or the assessment has improved over the period of time. And since last year, the BES has transformed and transitioned to a digital mode of examination, where the booking of the examination, the admit card generation, as well as the result publication has completely gone online without any manual intervention. So as the BES completes 20 years of service, from the DG Shipping, I congratulate them and hope they review their processes periodically and come out with the best for the students of the GP rating and the CCMC. So thank you and Jai Hind.
The Board of Examination for Seafarers, or the BES, is your trusted gateway to a certified maritime career. The BES was set up in 2005 by the Company of Master Mariners of India and the Institute of Marine Engineers of India at the behest of DG Shipping to conduct All India exit examinations of ratings. During the last year and a half, the BES has completely transformed its earlier manual examination process to the digital platform. The new system allows registration, issuance of admit cards, conduct of examination, and issuance of pass certificates, all through this newly digital platform.
Joining and registration in Maritime Training Institute. Seafaring journey begins by joining a DG Shipping approved Maritime Training Institute. Candidates' personal details, including photo and signatures, and unique INDOS number, is fed into the BES examination portal by the Maritime Institutes, and candidate's profile is thus created, which is accessed using a unique password. Candidates are handed over the required study materials. Classroom and practical training. Candidates are put through a rigorous physical fitness regime and are imparted theoretical and also practical aspects of training as outlined under 2/4, 3/4 and under Chapter 5 and 6 of the STCW Convention. Total training period is of 26 weeks basis, 42 contact hours per week. BES Examination Process. Once the training is completed, the registration of examination process begins. Basic requirements for being eligible for examination are at least 75 to 95% of attendance during the training period. Requirement to visit at least one ship during the training period. Completion of basic courses on elementary first aid, personal survival techniques, fire prevention and firefighting, personal safety and social responsibilities and security training for seafarers with designated security duties, and payment of examination fees. The registration process concludes into issuance of admit card, which can be downloaded by the concerned candidate from his profile. Assignment of examiners. Once the admit cards have been issued, list of eligible candidates is seen on respective examination coordinator profile, who then assigns the candidates to the empaneled examiner of their region. For the subject of general ship knowledge, a master mariner is assigned, while a chief engineer is assigned for the subject of marine engineering knowledge. Candidates are randomly selected for the assigned examiner. Conduct of exam. Candidates are examined at 3 levels. Practical demonstration of their competence. Orals examination based on their assignments written on their journals. Online examination on general ship knowledge and marine engineering knowledge with multiple choice questions. For online examination, IP address of the system is verified by the BES, and also computer systems are sanitized against any malware / any desk software, etc. Declaration of result. The results of the practical exams are fed by the examiners in the BES portal within 24 hours of the conduct of the practical examinations, and results of online exams are automatically processed by the system without any human intervention. The results of the passed out candidates are directly delivered to the profile of the respective candidates, which can then be downloaded by the candidate. Board of Examinations for Seafarers Trust also conducts Seafarers Enhancement Program and Structured Shipboard Training Program for deck cadets of near coastal voyages.
Board of Examination for Seafarers Trust endeavors to provide high-quality standard for assessment, examination, and certification of seafarers. BES Trust was established in 2005, and since then it has continuously evolved by adapting latest technology for examination as well as knowledge sharing. We are embarking on acknowledging and motivating our maritime fraternity towards overall quality development of seafarers.
Good day from the Board of Examinations for Seafarers Trust. This is our endeavor to not only participate in, but also encourage the quality growth of seafarers and thus contribute to the overall quality growth of Indian maritime professionals.